Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. We do have an unboxing of the iPsy Glam Bag for the month of October, as well as one of the products in here we will be giving away to one of you. Giveaways are really simple. Be sure to watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you need to know. There is a Google form in the description box down below. So you just need to fill that out, but you got to know your secret word. Like I said, watch the video in its entirety and you must be a subscriber to my channel. I do check. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of October, it is the Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics palette. Put a link for that in the description box down below. That giveaway goes through October 31st, so just have a couple more days to fill that one out. Some of you have asked me what I have on my eyes. It is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. I mainly used these shades over here. So I think it turned out really, really good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. The more people that like the video, the more people that comment, the more YouTube likes to promote my video, and it goes into their algorithm. So if you can help me out there, that'd be greatly appreciated. So this is the iPsy Glam Bag for October. I do have a code for iPsy if you'd like to use it when you decide you want to sign up for them. It helps you out. It kind of helps me out as well by giving me a discount on stuff that I want to purchase in the future. So let's find out what's in here. Some of the products couldn't fit in the bag itself. But how cute is this bag, especially for October? And it says your magic here. Look at this little pull even with the moon and stars. So, so cute. It's a black inner side with obviously the iPsy logo here. And I didn't even notice this, but look at this. So here are lips. This one looks like it's a little compact. This one looks like it's a lip brush. You have your moon, iPsy heart. Here is a regular brush, and there's a lipstick. I just like the attention to detail. How cute is that? So it does have a card, and it says your magic. With a pinch of shimmer and a wave of your mascara wand. This month, cast a spell on yourself. Whether it's nailing the perfect smoky eye or taking that big life leap. Let your intuition guide you in your goals. I think that's really cool. It says, poof, there it is. Your 5 Glam Bag products, valued at $50 plus, have magically appeared, ready for any vision you dream up. I am so stoked about the first product in here. I cannot tell you. So this is the Benefit Cosmetics GIMMIE Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in 4.5. I use this every day, and I just ran out of mine. I noticed that it dried up today, so perfect timing. Because I have a little bit of grays kind of going on in my eyebrows, just like a couple strands. Anyway, this helps cover it up like magic, you guys. So this says, whether your brows are sparse, bold, or just need a little definition, this volumizing brow gel will make them look perfect in a flash. The tapered brush provides mess-free application and makes tinting and taming super easy. Plus, the water-resistant formula won't smudge or fade. Tip, apply light pressure and stroke the brush along your brows in their natural direction. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $24. So here's what the product looks like. Kind of ran this on there. And I love using it just in this, just covers those grays like a flash when I don't have the time or the money to go in and get them professionally tinted. So love this. From ORYZA Beauty, I've tried some of their lipsticks that I really do like. So this is the ASTRAL Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow. Say hello to the 4 autumn-inspired eyeshadows that you'll want to wear everywhere this fall. Use the metallic deep plum and bronze shades to give your eyes sheen and sparkle, and use the matte pink and cranberry to soften and dimension. Tip, apply them with your fingers or brush, wet or dry, depending on how bold you want to go. You guys, this, they say, is full size. Look, I mean, compare it to my face. Like, it covers one eye. They say that this is 20 bucks. That is just outrageous. That is just way too much for this little tiny guy. I mean, the product itself looks like you're paying $5 a shade is what you're paying. That's just way too much from my budget, which is non-existent. From Lottie London is the Slay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade So Good. Behold the perfect everyday lip color, the pinky brown shade. It goes from day to night, to work to weekend with sass. This highly pigmented velvet matte formula is ultra long lasting and feels comfy on you. So your lips are always soft, even in the chilly fall months. Tip for the applicator to line your lips before filling them in. This is a deluxe size sample. Full size, you guys, is only $6.49, so that's a pretty good deal. Ooh, look how pretty this brush is from SLMISSGLAM. I know I have one that's in my dirty brush pile. But yeah, I do have another one of hers, and their brushes, they're just kind of blingy and pretty. I really, really like this one. It's kind of a bigger, fluffier one. So this is the round blusher brush, and we always look to SLMISSGLAM for brushes with a touch of fun, sparkle, and personality, like this gorgeous blush brush with emerald green handle. The synthetic brush fiber bristles are super soft to the touch and blend cream, powder, wet or dry pigments with ease. No streaking here. Tip, clean your brushes once a week and dry them upside down to keep bacteria away. This is really, really pretty and super, super soft. It's a pretty densely packed brush. And finally, you guys, from the Coffee Scrub is a coffee scrub in Rose. Know your skin can feel dull and dry after a long day. This energizing body scrub buffs and moisturizes with grapeseed oil, almond oil, vitamin E, and coffee extract to wake your skin right up. And the scent, let's just say we can't get enough of this fresh rose aroma. Tip, rub this scrub into your skin in a circular motion, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse. This is a deluxe size sample, the full size. Which if this is deluxe size, I mean, it's pretty good for a deluxe size. The full size does retail for $21.99. Now, I am allergic to coffee, so let's give this to one of you. Like I said, my giveaways are really easy. You must like the video, watch it in its entirety, and be a subscriber because I do check. You're going to need to know that secret word, which is going to be Rose, for today. There is a Google form in the description box down below. Make sure to fill that out. Make sure to only fill it out once, and do not put the secret word in the comments down below, or your secret word will be deleted and your entry form will be deleted as well. Let's have this giveaway go through November 17th. On November 18th, I will go ahead and pick the winner. I'll put in the description box down below their first name and first initial of their last name. That's how I go ahead and announce my winners here. If you do want 2 extra bonus entries, you can go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. Ama means mom in Basque, and then B for my last name. So that's how I came up with Beauty Ama B. Anyway, and then if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that for it to get to you. I have had some international giveaway winners before. It's not, some people said, do you only pick United States winners? And no, it's a random number draw and that's who wins. I do check, though, to make sure that you have the secret word and that you are subscribed. Those are the only 2 things that I check on it. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you because I love giving back to you guys, and I can't do anything coffee or it gives me migraines. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. Like I said, I'm trying now really hard to grow this channel. We're such a fun group here, and the more people that watch the videos, the more quicker I can get this monetized. That's where I'm lacking, is on my watch time hours. So I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Please take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.